All right, let's get real. You want to be a millionaire? Forget empty promises. Forget shortcuts. Becoming a millionaire isn't like a fairy tale or a walk in the park. It's a climb. A steep, unforgiving climb. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. The road to $1 million demands grit, sacrifice, and the unwavering will to rise above the ordinary. But listen, if you're willing to put in the sweat, the blood, the sleepless nights, then this video is for you. Think about it, $1 million, that puts you in a whole different league. A stadium packed with 100,000 strong people, and only a handful walk away with that kind of money. Only a handful will ever reach the millionaire status. That's the reality. But here's the good news. You can be one of them. Listen carefully. First things first. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. They're a mirage in the desert. Becoming a millionaire takes work. Hard work. Forget comfort. Forget ease. This is about relentless dedication, pushing your body and mind beyond their perceived limits. Are you ready for multiple jobs? For late nights spent learning? For becoming the strongest version of yourself? Because let me tell you, these are not options. They are the foundation upon which fortunes are built. Let me dispel a dangerous myth. Ditching education for a get-rich-quick scheme is a recipe for disaster. Education, coupled with relentless hard work, is your golden ticket. But choose wisely, my friend. Pursue a path that challenges you, a path that sharpens your mind, a path that teaches discipline. It will be tough, but remember, diamonds are forged under pressure. Now imagine the grind. You're delivering packages, working odd hours, barely keeping your head above water. Every penny earned feels like a hard-fought victory. But within that struggle, opportunity whispers your name. Grab every remote job you can find, cast a wide net. Every hustle expands your reach, brings you closer to that higher income. Let others shy away from the long hours. You'll embrace it. Because in the crucible of hard work, millionaires are made. But hold on, my friends. This is just the beginning. Once you've clawed your way to stability, it's time to elevate your game. Fill those spare moments with a hunger for knowledge. Books, podcasts, anything that fuels your understanding of building wealth. Devour it all. Here's the truth, friends. Failure is inevitable. Every misstep, every venture that falls flat, brings you a step closer to your ultimate goal. But here's the warning. This is where most quit. The comfort zone beckons. The fear of failure paralyzes. But always remember, champions are forged in the fires of adversity. As you navigate the twists and turns, the wins and losses, the triumphs and heartbreaks, one thing matters most: momentum. Keep moving forward with unwavering consistency. The road may seem endless, the challenges insurmountable, but hold fast to your dreams. Because you have the potential for greatness, the potential to achieve the extraordinary. Never forget that. And when you finally conquer that peak, when you stand amongst the millionaires, remember this: it's just the beginning. A journey without limits. A life of endless possibilities. So my friends, if the fire burns bright within you, if you're willing to fight, to persevere, then heed these words. Follow this path and dare to dream the impossible, because within you lies the power to make it your reality. And so I challenge you, embrace the struggle, embrace the journey. Let your relentless pursuit propel you to unimaginable heights. And when you reach your wildest dreams, look back not with pride, but with gratitude. Gratitude for the journey, for the lessons learned, for the unwavering pursuit of excellence. Friends, becoming a millionaire isn't just about the money. Though let's be honest, that freedom is pretty darn sweet. But it's about the journey, the battles you fought, the lessons you learned. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. As you embark on this odyssey, remember to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insights, more wisdom, more inspiration on your path to greatness. Until next time, stay hungry, stay humble, and never stop chasing your dreams.